Hello everybody and welcome back to 24 Outdoors. I'm Aaron. Today's video is coming in consideration of one of our partners, Huntwise. Huntwise is designed to help hunters improve their success in the outdoors by utilizing advanced species tracking technology and mapping, as well as connecting them with a community of dedicated sportsmen to seek and share advice. They strive to create the ultimate outdoor toolset that allows hunters to continue to pursue their passions, and they do so very well. Now today on this segment, we're going to be going inside of a hunt that me and Derrick had on October 18th, 2018. It was kind of a unique hunt because we weren't actually in a stand, or we weren't actually in anywhere that we've actually hunted before. We were on the ground behind a ground blind that's never been used before and never been in this particular spot. I don't need to tell you how stacked the odds were against us, but they were very stacked. Me and Derrick had planned to meet up about 6:30, 6:40. We wanted to be in the woods by 6:50 so that we would be set up before the sun came up at 7:20, which we accomplished. We were set up by 7 o'clock. We had everything cleared out and we had the blind up. Now, it was a pretty frosty morning coming in. It was 27 degrees, so the ground was nice and frozen. So every step we made a crunch. So we really had to take our time getting in, but that really didn't delay our response into the woods. Now, once we were set up, we were dedicated to that spot. We knew that we weren't going to go anywhere. The deer were going to come through there about 8 a.m. or so we thought. At first light, around 7:20, all we had to do now was just stay patient and wait. Derrick was definitely ready to claim another victim of the Matthews Triax. This bow's been phenomenal for him all year, and he couldn't wait to put another arrow through something with it. One of the key things that I want to stress to everybody during your hunting experiences is make sure that you range a few spots throughout where you're hunting. Make sure you have some landmarks, because in the heat of the moment you might not have time to grab your rangefinder. Now, at first light, we were able to range about 30 yards away from us where we thought the deer would come through. This was a main highway of the deer coming through that we've scouted in the past, so 30 yards was our mark, which with the Matthews Triax, Derrick had no issues with. One of my passions that I hold very dear to me is almost as great as archery, is filming. I enjoy taking someone else's hunt and creating a video out of it and showing everybody what they did. That for me is one of my best passions, and I really enjoy it. At about 9 o'clock, we decided we were going to hit some doe bleeds. We weren't sure what the outcome was going to be, but the day prior I did have luck doing the same doe bleeds in this general area, and it did bring 2 does in. So we were willing to take the chance on the doe bleeds. About an hour after we hit those doe bleeds, we decided to use a tactic that we've seen worked in the past. We've never tried it, so this was a trial run. We're going to do a light sparring session with a few grunts in it. Now, with a light sparring session, you're going to have some horns beaten and you're going to have some ground torn up, and that's exactly what Derrick was trying to recreate. So he hit a few grunts, he scraped the ground, and then in the video you'll see that he's starting to use the rack. Now, we chose this rack because it's a smaller rack. Typically, if you use a larger rack, you might scare away a decent buck. They may get intimidated and they may go away. If you use a smaller rack, it's not really going to intimidate too many things, but it's really going to draw those in out of curiosity. Unfortunately, patience didn't pay off for us today. We couldn't seal the deal on any deer. We didn't even see any deer, which was a big blow to our morale as far as this goes. But we know in any situation in hunting, there's no guarantees. Despite what the Outdoor Channel will show you, there's no guarantees in hunting. You can try to pattern your deer to a T, and the next moment they're not there. So pattern your deer. Don't not pattern your deer. Don't not set your trail cameras up. Do all those things because that gives you an idea of what's possibly there. But don't always use that as good data points is when they're coming through, because sometimes it doesn't matter. Sometimes you go days, weeks, sometimes even a month without seeing anything. It's not poor planning, it's just hunting. And today, that's what we did. We hunted. Hey guys, I have a little bit of a bonus action for you. Like I said on my Instagram account, I was going to come in and tell you guys how to do this. So, as you know, we're partnered with Huntwise now, which I am completely in awe about. I'm so happy that they decided on that, and we're very fortunate to have that, and we're very thankful. So what you're going to do with that is download the Huntwise app, okay? I'll put the link in the description below as far as the Android market as well as the Apple market. You're going to put those links, go to the stores, get the app, make your account, and then below that I'm going to put another link for huntwise.com, and this is going to take you directly to the promo code page. You're going to click on the promo code, put the information in, put your information in, and then the promo code that you are going to use is going to be 24 Outdoors. It'll pop up on the screen here, and I'll add it below. So all you got to do is copy and paste that. Once you do that, you're going to get 24% off the next year's worth of subscription to Huntwise. Now this is going to end October 19th, 2019. So get your full utilization of this and download it now. This is an app that you're not going to want to miss out this season. One thing that I like about this app is it provides boundary lines for people's properties. I can see exactly what property I'm on GPS and see if I'm going onto somebody else's property that I shouldn't be. Another great feature of this app is you can compare wins at different stands. And with the Pro version, you can compare as many stands as you want at the same time. You can compare all your stands. So for me, I have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stands. I can group them all together and compare the winds, compare the weather, and make sure that I'm going to the optimal location for that day. Hey everybody, one more thing before I let you go. I want to introduce two of our new Prostaff members, Derrick and Michael Assalone. These two are very knowledgeable about the outdoors, and I'm so happy to have them on board with 24 Outdoors. So with that being said, everybody have a wonderful day. If you're going hunting, be safe. If you're in Western Pennsylvania or in Pennsylvania in general, wear your orange. We have a crossover season still till this Saturday, and make sure you're safe. You want to get back home to your families. Above all, enjoy the outdoors, love the outdoors, but respect the outdoors. Everybody have a good day.